Guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and I thought while I was sitting here doing my homeschool planning for the month that I would go ahead and show you guys what we are using for our homeschool morning basket. I don't have things printed off from the homeschool garden this month because I'm having trouble with my printer, and I thought it would be neat just to show you guys how easy it is to use the homeschool garden on a computer. So if you don't have access to a printer, you can just use your laptop, which is what I have been doing this month. So we are on session 9, anthropomorphism. Not exactly sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it is the attribution of human traits, emotions, or intentions to non-human entities. And that's what we are studying with our morning time plans. So here is the weekly schedule. I have it downloaded on the computer and I can just pull it up and look at it. All of the memory work is right here. We are learning how doth the little crocodile. Recommended reading list. Our artist study is Sir William Nicholson, so you can download the biography and the art selections here. We're doing our music and folk song. We have my grandfather's clock and all creatures of our God and King. I really like how Laura has included some YouTube videos, so this makes it super easy for me to play these songs whenever she has these YouTube videos included. Here's the geography, the tea times, and then the Predator and Prey cards. We're reading The Winter's Tale from Shakespeare, and then our cute little handicraft, all the instructions, and our cute little art lesson. So I love how I can just pull everything up on the computer and it's all right there for us whenever we start morning time. Now, as for our actual morning basket, this is our last full month of school. We are going to be learning about Russia, Australia, and Antarctica. So with Beautiful Feet books, we have the book Mirror for Australia. Here's a highlights magazine. This is something my littles usually look at in the mornings. And then we have the Emperor's Egg for Antarctica. And I still need to pull some more books for our country studies. I haven't quite finished all of that yet. And we are also still reading The Wind in the Willows for our read aloud. And we are listening to The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe on script, on audio. So here is my Beautiful Feet books teacher's guide, and then Hero Tales that we're still reading from, Window on the World that we're still reading from, another resource for children's stories from Shakespeare, and then Kingdom Tales that we have not finished. So that is it for our homeschool morning basket right now. We are just taking things slow and ready for the school year to be over with. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you. I will be back most likely in August with more homeschool morning basket videos. Thanks.